A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. As the countdown to the United States presidential election enters its final days, both major candidates are ramping up their efforts to sway voters. In a surprising and controversial move, former President Donald Trump took to the streets of Green Bay, Wisconsin, on Wednesday evening, stepping out of his private plane and into a garbage truck, all while donning a bright orange safety vest. This unusual photo op was clearly aimed at poking fun at current President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. Trump's antics come just days after comedian Tony Hinchcliffe stirred controversy at one of Trump's rallies with remarks about Puerto Rico. During his brief appearance, Trump addressed the media, asking, "How do you like my garbage truck?" He further claimed that the stunt was in honor of Kamala and Joe Biden, before launching into a tirade against the president, suggesting that he should be ashamed of himself. This comment was a direct reference to a claim that Biden had labeled his supporters as garbage, a statement that the president has publicly denied. The images and videos of Trump's garbage truck escapade quickly spread across social media platforms, with many critics pointing out the questionable optics of his actions. Notably, actor George Takei, known for his role as Lieutenant Hikaru Sulu in the iconic Star Trek series, took to X/Twitter to mock Trump, stating, "In fairness, it's not really a Trump garbage truck until it's on fire." This comment resonated with many, emphasizing the perception of Trump's political strategies as chaotic and controversial. Adding to the criticism, Trump's own niece, Mary Trump, who has been vocal in her opposition to her uncle, remarked on the choice to place garbage at the forefront of the truck, suggesting it was an interesting decision given the context of the current political climate. Former Trump aide Alyssa Farah Griffin weighed in on the stunt, questioning its effectiveness. In a post on X, she stated, "Is it an effective stunt? No. He's assuming voters hear garbage and think of Biden's gaffe. But Trump campaign's Puerto Rico debacle is much deeper in the zeitgeist. A total fail." She went on to critique the notion that Trump's campaign could benefit from such a stunt, suggesting that it only served to remind voters of past controversies. Harris's spokesperson, Serafina Chitica, also chimed in, highlighting the irony of Trump's actions. She pointed out that the candidate who previously referred to America as a trash can, and whose rally was criticized for calling Puerto Rico garbage, was now riding around in a garbage truck for what appeared to be comedic effect. Chitica questioned whether this was an in-kind donation to Kamala Harris's campaign, further underlining the absurdity of the situation. As the election date approaches, polls indicate a tight race between Trump and Harris, with both candidates neck and neck in their quest for the White House. Voters will head to the polls on Tuesday, November 5th, and the outcome remains uncertain. Trump's garbage truck stunt, while certainly eye-catching, may have inadvertently backfired, drawing more criticism than support. As the political landscape continues to evolve, it remains to be seen whether such tactics will resonate with the electorate or if they will be seen as mere distractions in a campaign filled with serious issues and challenges. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.